Alright, up for auction today we get a Case 780. It's got brand new tires on this machine. Still got the nipples on them. This is a real big machine. You look at the size of the bucket and the teeth on the bucket, the boom, everything else. We're going to go ahead and fire it up and run it around the yard here a little bit and let you see how everything works and operates. Hydraulic brake system on it. One heck of a bucket up front. Doesn't squat down on it. See, it moved quite a bit of dirt there, just one scoop. Turn it around now and show you the hydraulics and everything in the rear. There you go. That's what we got up for sale today. It's the Case 780. Big backhoe. Up in the cab, you see all the rear bucket controls here, boom controls, left and right lift pads, steering, throttle, front bucket controls, gear shift, parking brake, brake. All of our gauges here. Alright, there you go. Once again, that's a Case 780. Got the turbo, big bucket, big hydraulics, big rear boom, air over hydraulic brakes, brand new tires. There you go. We appreciate you bidding.